In this video, we are going to show you how to add custom domain to your Uteach dashboard. For that, we should go to Dashboard, then select Settings, choose Domain. Here you can see your active domain. From here, you can change a new custom domain for your website. For that, you should insert your domain here. Click Save, and you will see instructions here. For that, you should go to your domain provider account, add these name servers there. You should create custom name server. Click Save. Set active. And that's it, your domain is added. Now you can check.